Hello, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to make a decadent chocolate cake. Are you ready? So to start, pour the white sugar and the vegetable oil in a mixing bowl and combine both ingredients using a hand mixer. And then add the whole eggs one by one and beat it again using the electric mixer. Kindly add the vanilla extract to the mixture and mix it very well. In a separate bowl, kindly pour your unsweetened cocoa powder and then add the black coffee and then also add some hot water to dissolve both powders. And then mix it properly. Mix it very well. For the fresh milk, we will place it in another bowl and then we will add the white vinegar and just combine it together. Just mix it thoroughly as we will add this milk with vinegar to our chocolate mixture. Just combine and then set it aside for a while. So now it's time to sift the all-purpose flour and as well as the other powders like the baking powder and the baking soda. At this point, we will now combine the chocolate mixture to our sugar plus oil mixture. Combine it very well. And then we will also add the dry ingredients onto our wet ingredients. So the number one tip that I could give you is that we will just add the dry ingredients gradually and then let us avoid overbeating and over mixing it. Especially once you started incorporating the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, make sure that you are not going to overbeat or over mix your mixture, as it would really affect the overall result, okay, or your product or the cake itself. Alright, so it's time to place the parchment paper into the cake pan. But before that, we have to brush it with oil. And then we are going to pour the batter, the chocolate batter, just slowly. Make sure that it won't overflow. For the chocolate ganache, I just simply use all-purpose cream And then I just added sugar, white sugar to be exact. And then I just mix it until the sugar completely dissolves. And most importantly, I'm going to add the chocolate bars or chocolate chips. So that's the last ingredient that we're gonna add to our chocolate ganache. Sobrang sarap niya po. Promise. Grabe sarap niya. Sobrang moist. Hindi po siya gaano matamis. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Sarap niya lang. Yummy, 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 yummy. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And so kindly like and subscribe to this humble channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching.